okay, not only our JC Organic Barley, but all of our products has FDA approval, okay? So halal certified, that's why we can sell it here, okay? Certified organic, okay? All of our products are certified organic, okay? And also has licenses in all of this, okay? That's why I told you, no, we are the only barley that exists in the market that has 10, right? FDA approval right? In 10 different countries, right? Because as what I said also when I spoke to you last time, we cannot actually, you know, enter UAE if our products, not only this one, if our product is not, you know, approved by Health Ministry, right? Each and every product that we are selling in this office, it must be approved by the Health Ministry, right? So it means you are, you know, you can make sure, right, that whatever you are selling, whatever product that you have right now is legit. Okay. Alright. And of course, okay, many of us lose our health in making money and losing money in looking for health. Correct?
Yeah.
Right? So be smart, be different, be in the good life. Take JC Organic Barley every day. Okay. So, okay. So, barley has super oxide dismutase. Alright? It is an enzyme naturally occurs in our body but decreases as we age. Okay? So we have this in our body, but as we age, it actually like collagen. Right? The good thing is, okay, the good thing is JC Organic Barley, while we are taking JC Organic Barley, we are giving our body this super oxide dismutase. Okay, so that's why when you see me, maybe after 10 years, you will see me as a fetus. Char. Because I drink JC Organic. Cancer. You have, for example, you know somebody, they just want to be healthy. You offer our JC Organic Barley. You see, grapes, spinach, kale, this is very expensive, right?
Yeah.
Kale is very expensive. Prunes, right? But JC one sachet only, how much, right? How much, how do you call that? How much antioxidant you can actually get it from there, okay? So now, why JC Organic Barley helps in insomnia? The good thing is, have you, you know, noticed that when you are drinking JC Organic Barley in the evening, you fall asleep